So here we have the diamond, and we're just about ready to scan it. And as I mentioned, this will be a rough scan. We treat the diamond as rough because of the concave break in it. So without any further delay, let's get it onto the stage and start the scanning process. So you can see by the progress bar on the bottom, the diamond is being scanned at the moment, and we will be able to get an image of that and then look at the different options that we have to determine which would be the right cause of action. So this scan is almost complete, and so there we have it. The diamond weight is here projected from the scan as 1.075, but in fact it weighs 1.077. So we can go from the drop-down menu and then select what we need to do. And in this case, the round would be the best option. And so let us just allocate that and see what the computer comes up with. So what we see here, because of the break in the diamond, there's quite a substantial weight loss in the recutting process. As we can see over here, there's quite a break there, and that causes the weight of the diamond to be way lower the 1 carat mark. It would not have mattered even if we wanted to just cut this diamond into a better round brilliant of a 000 proportions. The break on a crown would have actually not mattered at all. So in this case, it's the best thing that could have happened to this diamond, and we can bring it up now to proper industry standards. As we can see here, the crown is very, very low, and with a break in the crown as well, we need to rebrute this diamond and get it to proper proportions. So let us just print the label here, and then we can continue with the bruting process. So here we have it, 1.05, or actually 1.077, and the finished weight as 0.942. So it will still be in the 90-point range, but it will be a way better stone, and the damage would be removed. So what we have here is a parcel that's already made up, and the brief code number is allocated that we have in the job bag as well. So this stays with the production team all the time until the diamond is finished, and then that will serve as a job bag for the shipping documents as well. So what we need to do next is then just record the weight in here, and we're going to be measuring the diamond as well. Let me just grab a caliper. So first what we want to do is we measure the depth of the diamond. It is 3.85 millimeter, and that will be recorded then. And we will also do the diameter in a few places. 689, that's pretty big. 690, 690. So it's 685 to 692. And we're going to be bruting this diamond to 6.5 millimeter. And that will be our next step. The label is going to be placed inside, and make sure that we have the right proportions at the end of the day on a diamond. Good. What we always do is, before we start working on a diamond, we first want to check with the client if the projections is what they expect on it, and if not, we need to explain why the diamond is going to have this given result Sometimes it is on the positive side and sometimes not on the negative side. In this case, the diamond is going below 1 carat, so we need to check this out with the client to see if that will be in order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get him on the line and just get his permission and just discuss the diamond. So here we go. Jimmy, how are you doing?
I'm fine today, Mike. How have you been?
Very well, thank you. Listen, we got your diamond and we've scanned it, and you know, the break on the top is pretty bad. It is concave, so we treated it as a rough diamond. But yeah, the prognosis, it will be going under 1 carat. And I don't know if that will be acceptable to you, because as it is, even if we were to cut it into an ideal cut or maybe a triple excellent, you would have to sacrifice a 1 carat because the crown is extremely shallow and the girdle very thin, as you know. So yeah, I've scanned it, and it looks like, let me just get the briefcase out here. Yeah, it looks like a 0.94. And I know that's probably not what you would want on it. You know, we'd like to keep a character, but in this case, we just cannot do that. So what's your take on that?
I actually alerted the client to pretty much the identical synopsis. I think I was off by 4 points as far as, you know, I was hoping to hold a 90-pointer based on the degree of damage and the shallowness of the crown angle. So you're spot on with my analysis, and that is pretty much what I outlined to the client. And we can proceed. I think that's a great analysis.
Okay, well, we will do that, and we'll get it into brooding and get it into production. And I wish you a good day. It was great talking with you.
Very much appreciated. You be well. Thank you for the effort.
Thank you. Bye.